closeness and yung respect naman para sa amin na kaibigan niya, they should clarify this issue, come out and explain.
Hello mga kasangga! Welcome to my channel, Pearl TV and Travels Vlog. Mga kasangga, narito ang part 2 ng interview ni Mr. J. Ruiz, kina Mayor Bullet Haloshos at Attorney Bong Suntay, tungkol sa isyong nagdawat sa kanila, sa hiwalayang Bea Alonzo and Dominic Roque. Pakinggan natin ang kanilang salooban sa pangyayaring ito, at kung ano ba ang mensahe nila sa mag-ex na Bea and Dom. Check this out guys.
Kung nakikinig sila ngayon, you have a message for Bea or Dominic?
Nalulungkot kami dun sa nangyari. Alam ko kung gaano kamahal ni Dom si Bea, and I know rin na Bea ganun rin naman kay Dom. In fact, nangihinayang kami because they were together for 3 years, diba? 3 long years. But sadly, because of this breakup, siyempre, while affected silang dalawa, may mga tao na naapektuhan na hindi naman dapat, kagaya namin ni Bullet, diba? And we hope na they come out to clear yung pagkadawit naman sa amin ni Bullet dito sa kanilang sitwasyon.
Actually, like I said a while ago, nasabi nga ni Bong kanina, although we understand their situation, we want to give them time to heal, to talk about things, na sana nga maayos din nila. But during those times na nag-iisip sila about what they're gonna be doing, I hope maisip din nila na may mga ibang tao nga na hindi kasama sa breakup, na hindi din pwedeng maiwasan lang rin. Well, we hope as friends, and I think it's the most decent thing to do. Hindi rin naman kami tao na sanay sa mga ganitong issues. Although we are public personnel, I mean, pareho kaming politiko, sanay kami sa mga issues. Although, ngayon lang ako nakarinig ng ganitong issue sa akin. That's the reason why I hope, they find some time to work things out para lang it won't get worse. Something as simple and as natural as fights and breakup, naging totally different monster Because nga may mga hinahalo na dito. I think it's just making it worse for everyone. Not only for them, but lumalala sa amin din. Like I said, malit na kurot, di naman masakit yan Pero pag kinukurot ka palagi, as in araw-araw for isang buwan na, masakit na rin Then that's the reason why we're here. Both agreed kami ni Bong, to say our side once and for all. And ito lang talaga yun, talking. So we're not doing this for public fame or anything, we don't need it. Ang amin lang talaga is sana hindi maapektuhan yung mga people around us also, For us to come out and to also say na kahit paano hindi talaga totoo yung mga nangyayari. So we just want to clarify that.
There are remedies in our laws na pwede nyo gawin para matigil na ito. Do you plan to file cyber libel against those who maligned you and destroyed your reputation?
Ako, definitely. I'm exploring already options. Tingnan natin, We'll see how fast gumalaw ang gobyerno natin, and umaasa ako na makakatulong to, Not just for us. Kasi if this can happen to us, ano pa kaya yung mga normal citizens na talagang walang kaya naman, na kawawa naman. So, let it be an example for all na may balak na manira ng reputasyon ng isang tao na magbantay din. Na sana, wag nila sirain. Kasi with the powers of the internet now, the social media, ang napakalawak. You can really say anything, Si Bullet, animal yan, aso yan, or something. You can really say that, And people have to be cautious of those things and how dangerous, although nakakatulong talaga ngayong panahon ang technology natin, it also comes with a price, May danger din with it. So that's the reason why I think the Cybercrime Division is also there to protect our citizens from bashing ba or mga fake news sa mga lumalabas.
Pero gugulong lang ang hustisya kung action ka if you file a complaint. So when you file a complaint against these people who maligned you and destroyed your reputation.
I agree, Gaya sa sabi ng Bullet, social media, grabe yung reach niyan, Hindi kagaya pagka lumalabas ka lang sa news. Limited dun sa bansa natin, sa lugar natin, kung saan lang nabobroadcast yan. Pero yung social media now can be seen by anyone around the world. Kaya nga, sadly, yung mga people who makes this content should be more responsible. Lalo na kung alam naman nila na walang katotohanan yung ginagawa nila at gusto nila lang gumawa ng paninirang puri just for the sake of gaining followers, gaining viewers at the expense of people. Kagaya rin ang nabanggit ni Bullet. While we're public personalities, being public servant, ito bago sa amin Pagka pinapag-usapan ka, tapos sasabihin na hindi, bading yan. Di ba? Pagka ganun, mas madali pa lang tanggapin. Pagka yung usapan hindi, babaero yan. Oo, tatawa-tawa lang kami ni Bullet. Pagka sanay kami dyan na ganun yung sinasabi sa amin. So this is something new, and it affects other people also. And ako rin, being a lawyer, I'm also looking into this situation. Kasi ayoko rin alagpasin rin ito na ganun-ganun na lang. Kaya siguro nga, yung naglabas sa akin, tinake down kagad. Siguro nalaman niya na abogado pala ako. Hindi lang yung pagsampan ng kaso sa akin. But, you know, this is something which is very serious. It's destroying reputations. It's affecting people, not only us as individuals, pero yung pamilya. May anak kami pareho ni Bullet And para sa amin, you know, yun yung mas importante na nasasaktan sila. Dahil yung mga kaibigan nila, hindi naman namin kaibigan. At maaaring mag-isip At least yung mga kaibigan namin, walang maniniwala na ganun Pero paano yung kaibigan ng anak namin? Baka isipin nila, di ba? Tuksuhin yung anak namin. Mga bata pa naman yung anak namin, di ba? Oo, mabuli sa eskwela. Serious implications.
Repercussions Kasi hindi rin natin alam, mental health ng mga bata yan. They also do not want na mabansagan silang ganyan. Tatay mo ganito, tatay mo ganyan.
Tsaka mas madalas sila sa social media than our generation.
Yes.
Talagang babad sila sa internet, sa Facebook, so madali sila maniwala.
Posibleng ma-cyberbully sila doon. And malaking bagay yun. Yung natutokso ka na kung ano-ano. Doon pa lang, tutuksoin ka habang bata ka, magagalit. Ito marami buong mundo If there's something to learn from this experience of yours, the both of you, anong may mapupulot nating aral dito at leksyon na pwede sigurong makuha ng mga nanonood sa atin?
And on our part naman, doon sa mga tao, it's more of an appeal. Sana madali naman malaman kung ano yung totoo Nakakapag-research nga sila, nakakakuha ng mga picture. It's very easy to find out kung totoo o hindi. Like yung dito sa sitwasyon na ito, gagaya sa akin, dali-dali naman malaman na pagka tinignan yung page nung kumpanya ko, andun naman yung mga storyline, alam naman nila na talagang endorser namin. So, why twist it? Why make it appear na binigyan ng gasolina? Hindi naman ganun yan.
Before we end, any last message you want to say to our viewers and to whoever you want to go?
Well, to the viewers, as I mentioned, sadly, nadamay kami sa isang napakalungkot na sitwasyon. Pagmamahalan ng dalawang tinuturing naming kaibigan. We hope that to the viewers, sana gaya ng nabanggit ko kanina, we have to be more responsible dahil kami ni Bullet, tanda na kami. Emotionally, kaya namin indahin yan pagka kami lang. Pero kasi yung mga paratang na yan affects other people also, especially our children. People out there sharing taking the contents, forwarding it to other people. We want you to know na liable din kayo. You're part of these people, of this group that spreading intrigues.
Ako, unang-una, no, I'd like to thank you, Jay, no, this opportunity, this platform that me and Bong had the chance to talk about kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman namin. Kami, patawa-tawa lang namin, dinadaan namin sa biro. But like what he said a while ago, no, hindi lang sa amin yan eh. Buti kung kami lang, tatawa-tawa lang kami yan. But there are people nga around, like children. Hindi namin alam kung nag-open up pa siya or
how they really feel about the issue. So
Maybe they're putting a brave face, pero deep inside.
possibly,
nasaktan.
madaming ganun na bata ngayon. So hopefully, it doesn't happen. No? So we had to come out. Also, sa mga viewers, no, I hope umiral yung common sense because it's far-fetched, it's ridiculous for some people to believe it, or most people to believe something like that. Sana they have the decency and the, understand situations like that. Sila maniwala, although what Bong said a while ago, nakakalungkot nga, mas nagkaka-interest yung Pilipino talaga sa mga ganitong spin-offs na mga storya, no? But doesn't stop there eh. Mas lumalaki siya into a bigger problem or a bigger monster in the future. So I hope yung mga ganito, just leave it at memes, leave it alone. Huwag na natin ikalat, huwag na natin itanong kung totoo ba o hindi. I mean, common sense din naman eh. So what it takes, no? Just common sense to understand situations like that na hindi talaga couldn't possibly happen. So ganun lang. I just want to thank you, no, for this opportunity.
Ulit.
thank you.
And
Jay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.